Today I will show you how you can change the link colors in 2020 on WordPress theme. I will show you how you can change the link colors of blog posts, link colors of comment section, link colors of the footer, and the link colors of widgets. Now there is a link in the description of the video which will give you all the CSS code that you will need for this video to change the link colors. Like you can change blog post link colors, comments link colors, etc. Now to use this, first you need to go to your WordPress admin. Here go to appearance, then go to customize. Go to additional CSS. Here enter the first CSS code, which is to change the link color of blog post, which means the links that are inside a blog post. Here change the color red to anything that you want. You can have any color you want. You can also enter hex values here. Once done, click on publish. Refresh the page. There you go. The link color is now changed. Now there are also different CSS codes in the blog post. Here it is for footer, so copy it. Again paste it in the additional CSS box. Change the color red to anything that you want. This will change the color of the links that are in the footer. Now up next we have comment section links. These are the links that are in the comment section. So copy this CSS code. Again paste it in the additional CSS box. Again change the color red to anything that you want. There you go, the comments are now changed. Up next we have widgets, which CSS code will change the color of all the links that are in widgets. So these are generally the sidebar. Again paste it here and change the color to whatever you like. And that is how you can change the color of links in 2020 on WordPress theme. If you need any more help, then comment down below in the comment section.